Hello everybody and welcome to away.We. I'm Zoe and I'm so glad that you could join me today for our fourth 5-minute piano lesson. How did the Thanksgiving song go? I hope you had fun with your gobble gobbles. And I hope that playing with the left hand wasn't too tricky. Today we are going to be working on a new song called the Dreidel. Hopefully you watched my last episode, my Hanukkah episode, which talked a lot about dreidels, and we sang a few very fun dreidel songs. So today we're going to be learning how to play a dreidel song. What's exciting about this song is this is going to be the first time where we are going to use both hands. The first line is going to be with your right hand. You can see RH at the beginning, that's right hand. Then the second line is going to be with a left hand, LH, left hand. Now, when you play with your right hand, it's going to be on a group of 3 black keys, fingers 2, 3, and 4, on a group of 3 black keys. Your left hand is also going to be on a different group of 3 black keys, fingers 2, 3, and 4, on another group of 3 black keys. So both hands should rest on the piano so that you are ready to play with the right hand, and then when you need to, switch to the left hand. Now don't forget, because now we've got 2 hands to think about, to keep nice roundness in your fingers. Think about that bubble being under your hand or little spider fingers with a nice straight wrist as we have both hands on the piano. Now for this song called the Dreidel, we are going to be using quarter notes, which get 1 beat, half notes, which get 2 beats, and at the end, we have a whole note, which you are going to hold for 4 beats. So hold that down and in your head count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then lift your finger. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to place both hands on the piano. I have both hands ready on the piano. I'm going to start with my right hand, and at first we have some quarter notes going 2, 4, 2, 4, then some half notes. 2, 3. Very good. Let's do that one more time. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3. Excellent. Then my left hand is already ready to go. It already is placed on my group of 3 black keys to play the next line, which is going to go like this. 2, 4, 2, 4, 4. Let's do that whole thing just thinking about numbers from the very beginning. So back to our right hand on our 3 black keys. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4. Good job! Wow, you're doing so good using both hands. I think we're ready for some words. So if you don't remember, a dreidel spins. It's a spinning top that we try to spin as fast as we can. And so let's put some words on this. We have some spinning words for our dreidel song. Spin, 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 dreidel, spin so fast for me. Nice! Let's do it one more time. Spin, 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 dreidel, spin so fast for me. Beautiful. You did such an amazing job using both hands today. I'm very excited because the next piano lesson, we are going to be playing some of a song that you might know called Jingle Bells. And for Jingle Bells, we are going to be in a new position. We are no longer going to play on the black keys. We're going to move to our white keys. So it's going to be really fun. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you can be ready for my next episode. And if you didn't get a chance to watch it yet, go watch my Hanukkah episode. It's so much fun. And now that you know a little bit more about dreidels, you'll really enjoy it. Until next time, bye.